Hi Sam, this is Jackie at Londonderry Dodge. Lauren asked me to do a walk around video of the 2007 Chevy Avalanche LTZ for you. So here it is. Show you the front, take you around, show you the side. This truck's in great condition. And I'll show you the inside. It has an all black leather interior. Nice wood grain paneling. Now I'll start the truck for you. Show you your media center. Alright. There you go. There's all your controls. You got your iPod hookup, cup holders. This has the sunroof, passenger seat. Really nice big screen. All your controls from the steering wheel. As you can see, it has just a little over 120,000 kilometers on it. There's your heated seats controls. I'm going to take you and show you the back seat. Here in the back seat, there's your headphones, because it also has the DVD player right there. There's your controls. Nice big back seat. I'll also take you around and show you the back of it. There's a box cover. Alright Sam, thank you for your time. If you have any questions or would like to book your test drive, you can reach Lauren at 780-473-6388. Have a great day.